Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this video with you today because I have a wonderful gift idea that only costs $5. Actually it costs $4.97, which is under $5, but barely. And it is a little self-care gift set for the person in your life who needs to unwind this holiday season. And I know that's probably everyone. So come with me and I'll show you what I have in mind.
The gift we are making today is a bath or foot soak, and it's one that I swear by. I've used it for the past several years, and I love it. I turn to it anytime I'm really achy. I turn to it when I can't sleep. I turn to it when I'm cold, and I also turn to it when I am just feeling really stressed out and need to calm down. So I love the sentiment of passing this on to someone else, and I love that it's all natural ingredients, and I also love that it's not expensive to make. People already have this stuff in their houses probably, but I think giving them this as a gift is a great way to remind them to take good care of themselves. I am going to take you through the supply list for this gift. I picked up these gift bags at the Dollar Tree as well as the tissue paper. Yes, I got these votive candles. I don't remember where I got them. I just had them on hand. But when I looked it up on Amazon, they sell for $13.95. But you get 36. So you have a bunch left for you to use at your house. So it actually ends up being a pretty efficient purchase. I picked up these cute little votive holders at the Dollar Tree as well. And 2 come in a pack, so you get 2 gifts worth out of 1 pack. So they end up being 50 cents each. I picked up 2 bags, bigger bags of this baking soda, which is great to add to Epsom salt. In the bathtub. The Epsom salt, the 8-pound bag was $5, and the baking soda came in at around $2 something, close to $3 for each bag. And then I am using some mason jars that I had in my basement, but you can pick these up. You can get them for about $1 a piece. So just those with a lid, and then your essential oil of choice. This one is lavender, bergamot, orange, and vanilla. So I'm really excited about it. It smells amazing. I think this is what I'm going to use in all of them, actually. My friends, this is the easiest project you're ever going to do in your life. Just take half baking soda, half Epsom salt, mix it together with several drops of the essential oil, and put it into the jar. That's all you do. I managed to make this look really hard, and I managed to make a really huge mess, but I'm pretty sure that if you make a big mess, you get extra points.
Now, I really was thinking I would get 8 for sure, but I didn't realize I was going to get 13 mason jars full of this bath mixture. So, yeah, you can get a baker's dozen of gifts out of just these supplies here. So that's fantastic. You'll just have to pick up a couple more of these candle holders and enough mason jars, but you can definitely make that work.
Once you have all your jars filled up, put the lids on tight and put your gift together. I just put the candle in the candle holder and wrap them up in tissue paper so they don't break, and stick them in this brown bag. And put a little ribbon on it. Make sure your friends feel like you care about them, and give them a little gesture of goodwill and relaxation.
I used white ribbon on this packaging just because it's what I had, but I think it would look prettier with red. I have a red ribbon on the jar inside. Maybe I should put this one on the jar inside and then the red ribbon on the outside, but I'll play with it and see what ends up being the most fun. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you did enjoy it, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking videos. I hope you all enjoy your holidays, and I hope this video gave you a great gift idea to let your people know you love them, even if you're not spending $1 million on Christmas this year. Have a great day. Bye.